how to present PowerPoint in Google Meet. Hello guys, and today I'm going to talk about Google Meet. Now currently I am in a meeting, so what we're going to do is I'm going to open my PowerPoint over here. This is what I would like to present in my Google Meet, and we're simply going to click on this icon over here called Present Now. And we would have an option to either share an entire screen, a window, or a tab. We're going to choose the tab because this is best for a video, and is similar to a video when we navigate through them. So we're going to click on this option, and you're simply going to click on the tab for your PowerPoint, and we're going to click on share. And as you can see here, we're currently watching this specific tab, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on view and then click on slideshow. And as you can see here, we have our presentation happening on this page. And as you can see here also on our Google Meet, it is also presenting. And when we move through the different pages, we are going to see the same changes over here. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.